The Nigerian Society for Microbiology was inaugurated in 1972 with the aim of interacting, exchanging, and discussing research ideas and findings towards societal growth. It is a gathering of intellectuals in the field of microbiology for the 4th Southwest Zonal Conference of the Nigerian Society of Microbiology, held at the Federal University of Technology, Akure. The chairman, local organizing committee of the 4th Southwest Conference, Professor Anthony Unifadi, said the conference serves as a platform to discuss research activities and exchange views on the importance of microbiology in nation building.
We are gathered here again at this 2025 Southwest Zonal Conference of our society to present and discuss in our usual way our research activities in the past year and exchange views on the importance and relevance of our discipline to the development of our nation.
The convener of the conference, Professor Oluwole David, said the conference transcends professional engagement, describing it as a platform to celebrate shared passion and achievements in microbiology.
These interactions pave the way for career growth, inspired new research ideas, and fostered enduring professional relationships. Conferences like these enable us to showcase outputs from our laboratories, compare notes, and engage in meaningful discussion that shape the future of our field.
Vice-Chancellor, Federal University of Technology, Akure, Professor Olanike Oladiji, commended the initiative, expressing optimism that it would yield positive results.
I'm sure everyone knows that if we address this theme and sub-themes effectively, we will be solving the most pressing needs of our nation.
Guest speakers did justice to the theme of the conference.
We know we have a problem with our land. We have overfarmed it, and the microorganisms are the ones involved in the cycling of nutrients in the soil. What we can do as researchers, we know those organisms, so we can grow them in the lab. When you see that the field is getting poor in nutrients, you can now introduce those organisms to that soil and then plant, and you have solved the problem.
God has blessed us with this country because we have some groups of microorganisms which we refer to as methanogenic bacteria, and they have been very useful to us, and we are now harnessing them to generate energy, the CNG that we all know now.
We can actually engineer, gather some microorganisms, see those ones that can actually be useful in biocontrol. So we can formulate them too and sell them like in form of fertilizers to also help in agriculture and in food production.
You can see people from different institutions coming together. We want to scale it up so that we can attract industrialists, come and key to ways of using some of these organisms to be able to solve problems and to be able to provide services for us as individuals.
Awards presentation to the speakers, as well as a retiring professor of food and industrial microbiology, Professor Felix Akinyosoye, who has contributed to the advancement of microbiology, was the high point of the event. Pius, OSRC News.